Hello everyone, I'll tell you how to make Pista Hawaiian Mocktail. Take a shaker glass, add some ice cube into the shaker glass. Then you have to add 2 scoop of Pista ice cream. Already I am adding 2 scoop of Pista ice cream. Then you have to add 120 ml of lychee juice. Then add 20 ml of sugar syrup. Then you have to add 60 ml of fresh cream. Then you have to add 30 ml of QB crush. Then you have to shake all the ingredients properly. For this mocktail, shake well. Then take a Pilsner glass and strain the mocktail into the Pilsner glass. Serve with straw and stirrers. Garnish with mint spring. Thank you for watching my